pizari. Wangu ahaluk makhalai kaida listing ani gatara tarukta matam adugi Chief Minister Okram Ibobina sangakhiba 33/11 substation mathau tawdana leire. Kurumzari mideng tabiriba singbu taram noksari pau sandok na pizari. Wangu ahaluk makhalai kaida listing ani gatara tarukta matam adugi Chief Minister Okram Ibobina sangakhiba 33/11 substation mathau tawdana leire. Aikogi wangu paumi Stephen na tizinbada fanglakpa report ki matung inna matam adugi power ki charsu pukiba Chief Minister Okram Ibobina listing ani gatara taruk ki December ki tang taramapanda hairiba power substation asi sangarambadagi makhatana yengsindabadagi mathau tawdana leirakhibani hairi. Power substation asi ki akoi mham sing fencing tawrabasu ningthina tawdabana manungda changthok changsin yarakpa amade power substation asi ki thangnana school amasu leibana mahiroi singda khudong thiba thorakpa yabagi phibamda leire hairi. Lamdam adugi praja amana fungdorakpada sangaram laba matungda power substation asi ngasi fawa mathau tawdana leirakpa haibasi lamdam adugi praja singi laibak thibani. Power Minister na thuba matamda midyang sangduna power substation asi mathau tawhanbiu haina fungdorakli.
Ngasi wangugi asigumlaba substation si matam amada Congress na sangabirambani adubu ngasi akogi BJP na palabu matam sida ngasi bawa yengsindana laibasi akogi BJP government si mathau tawdre haibadu tasengna ngasi asisida takle aduna yaragadi masi athuba matamda akogi MLA sing ngarang han khak akogi wangugi go to village asu wakatpa laikhrabani aduna yaragadi masi athuba matamda semjin biraga leiriba koibada leiriba praja sing sigi nungainaba sembiu haina akogi ISTV ki thongda akoina sing
Power substation asibu sariba mafam adu takthokiba e chawba koba myoi amana fongdorakpada power substation saraba matungda lamdam adongi miyamda mai ningthina fanglagani haina thajaba thamkiba adu hawjikti madugi ona tainabada leire phibam asida adumak laigadaba oirabasu power substation asi atopa mafamda pubikhro haina fongdorakli.
Substation wangugi si aina tojan toyapta aina gifti dan tawani pajagi phanamana ngasi bawl mathok tawdramina masi power substation je yam athubida mafum hongdok pihro.
Royal Apps INC gi haya haina mingthonba multitasking mobile application ama ngasi Manipur gi Governor Dr. Nasma Heptula ngasi Palace compound leiba MSFDS ki auditorium da launch tawkhre thorom aduda MP Dr. T Mainya Nailit Akampat ki Executive Director TS Prameshwar amadi Royal Apps INC ki members sing saruk yakhi. Royal Apps INC ki Managing Director Mutum Prabir Kumar na apps asi worldwide mobile gi khuthang dagi yengba fanglagani masina miyam da khudong saba kaya fanghalagani haikhi. Manipur gi do Governor Dr. Nasma Heptula na miyoibagi punsida computer haiba posak asi tholakpadagi hingbagi lambi leihanba amadi masina kanaba kaya piri. Ngasi hangdokleba application asibu niyom sumna sizinaba amadi application asina society da kari kanaba amasung amangba haibadu ningthina khanaba mathau tai haikhi.
You are having two type of system. One is entertainment and one is very serious job seeking. And it is very necessary for our students and the children and the young people to use this kind of apparatus and app which will help them to seek jobs and find places over there. When we develop any program or any app, we should be careful that it should not be misused, because many a time these social media, WhatsApp is used for good information, WhatsApp is used for bad information, where the programs can take children to the most scientific experiences, the scientific research, the historical research. We can read our history, we can read a lot of things. The whole world is at our fingertip and our palm. But what kind of programs we should let our young mind to read, that's also very, very important.
SBI Bank ke branch amang ngarang Education Minister TS Radeshyam na tamay da hangdokre. Tamay men town da bank hangdok pagaloy na model residential school amadi Sadbhavana Mandap sanana ba urep uyung tamkre. Artel Memorial Women's Market amasu sangakhe. Thorum Singh aduda Tamai gi MLA Awangbau Newmai Midagi Vice Chairman O Lukhoi Village Authority amadi mari lenaba official kya su saruk yakhi Awangbau Newmai na chahi kuntra nipan ni matungda Tamaida SBI branch asi hangbasina praja singda chauna kana bapiragani Pali balengak asina praja singhi khanduna thabak paikhat pirakpagi damak thagatpa phongdokhi Education Minister T.H. Rajesh Yamna Tamai praja singna lengak asigi damakta thabak kaya tawduna lakli Haujikti lengak asina praja singgi damak karigumba kharadi tawba yare Tamai gi lambi thongda midyang sanglagani Mahakna makha na haikibada model residential school sanana bapai khatli bathabak asisu athuba matamda loishinna bohonagani haiki
ni apabo engedi apabo school building lera apabo school system lera kan phagadone school ji why holiest temple holiest church kari hai school lari religion khudi muk loin sakani aduna school laiba college hai se masi car factory gumane car di yaad raga so phat raga so it can be repaired you can get a new one brand new one but human beings you cannot change it so human beings same godoba shape taw godoba jaga ase educational institute mayam ne aduna educational institute ta apani importance speed ragadi phataba mi thoragadi church le so mandir le so yaro aina mayam request of sending the school building gumba college building gumba se let us think let us feel let us know the building the school the college belongs to us and it is ours it does not belong to the education department
Education Minister T.S. Rajesh Yamna Tamaida Diet Center amasung Langmai Higher Secondary School gi fibam susatuna yengsingki Lamyanba Jananeta Irabot ki chamaga kunithoi suba tha amasung nastathagadaba thoromga mari leinana ngarang thanga kendru gi manung sanba karang ithatta ningsing thorom pangthokre Irabot Celebration Committee na sinduna karang jingjeng Mayai lekai da leba community hall da pangthokpa thorom aduda CPI ge state secretary L secretary Lomi Manipur gi president N Singhazet celebration committee gi mihu Dr P Khogena maruiba myoi sing oina saruk yakhi L Sotin Kumar na Irabot na pamjaram ba wakhalon sing thambaga loina na ngasi gi mirol na mahaki wakhalon adugi tung inba tangai fade haiki
Semasi matam punamakta adugumba awaba khudongthiba kaya mayok leriba kaya si masi punamaksi ekhoi chap chana Irabot celebration committee gi maiki degi loina ni communist party gi maiki degi thana leina roi thenana bagi dum semsa
Sakhang dabas sing na subcontractor ani laimatak power substation dagi fakhiba du kannana ba ngasi Bisnupur commando yankhai mari suba battalion BSF Loktak amadi kontrani thoi suba battalion CRPF ki kang apunba khutpu womana kangbai amadi Henglep subdivision ki manung sanna leiba khul kya da thibu humba ki thabak sathakre hauzik fauba gi di makoi ani fangba laitri hairi Training of trainers on order management habisida nongmagi oiba workshop ama hotel yaifabagi conference hall da pangthokre Health Services na sinduna pangthokiba thorom aduda Health Director Dr. K. Razo, Immunization ki State Nodal Officer Dr. T.S. Nandakishore, Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network EVIN United Nations Development Program UNDP gi Senior Project Officer Sarat Yadav yauna myoi kyana saruk yakhi Director Dr. K. Razo na UNDP gi makhada leiba EVIN gi matengdagi vaccination tawraga immunization tawbagi thabak aduki matik kumang sauksin bangamle immunization system se fagalakpadagi measles rubella vaccine sumai pakna puthokpa ngamkhre haiki
Cooperation fajana tauba infant mortality rate handabasine koi Manipur da ibin program se anoba je hapsalagadi hena Manipur da laiba angang sing children sing amadi mirom bising se ekoi vaccine preventable disease dagi hena apaba hidang na hena magul laiba hidang ama ohenduna moida pirapu matamda hena afaba pona mo oidana hena na bjing ngal thop hanba ngamna bai dangta adu mato program man
Kanglaipak Farmers Producers Company Limited ki outlet amangasi Uripok Polem Lekai Bijoy Govinda Thong Manakta Horticulture and Soil Conservation ki director ke Kipgen hangdokre thorum aduda company ki chairman SS Kanta Madi atai official sensu saruk yakhi company gi CEO Yumnam Sanjitna company asida member oiba farmer cham listing amaga chani rom na puthokliba pothok sing asigi yonfam leitabagi awaba mayok nariba adu kokhan bangam lagani farmer sing bu organic ki pothok sing puthokna ba amadi afaba maru marang sing pinana ba RK sits kasu yana ba leire haiki
farmers mayam akogi companies da members oriba farmer listing am chani gum lai moina puthoksa ba potlam che akoina marketing toba outlet che ja koi pohla ga anda moigi marketing gi moida khudong cha da khotaba lai mayam da akoina mateng pangba akoi company yoga oina aduga most importantly akoina hojik target ti moi organic farming gi sei ja pusalakpa sigi practices se akoina adopt tawna maina pusalakpa se akoi gi pandam ne ma indigenous varieties akogi hawai maru mayam chu leire mapan gi akoi hybrid RK seeds ka so koi type tawre koi leiri akogi farmers is na akoina seeds su subsidized rate su pibang amani moi production moi gi income hena maina akoina adugi ta pandam da hangdok se ba kai
Right to Education eki makhada chahi tara mari fawbagi angang singlem na amadi sungsoi soidana mahai tamhangadabani haiba wafam leirabasu mahai tamnaba pesa leitraba amadi nongmagi sara tanaba hotnariba angang singdadi ek asigi kanaba phangdre Imphal East ki Yorubung khongnang leiraktagi chahi tara mari khaktangariba laishram angona lairik tamninglabasu hingnanabagi pesa tanbane hena maru oiri pesa tungsinduna makhatana mamanaba singa loinana lairik tamba pamli hiram asida report ama
Mamanabasing sanajaba pamba mamanabasing matung inaduna skun chatpa pamjaba laisam angau hauji likso ama thaudra suhing chumdra nomagi chara tanana leiri
ai chagaina laik pabu buda ma matna dum khoyang chena ha tamning ba ma tamning he ando aina chen thukuna tamina ngam tha sem bani na tamning he do aina upai lakte ado ma tu hing chumda salema tập đây nó tiếng trong nó phá tâm tung jam bia ko yang khay do ha ma sit pagi tung jala ga ipan na dum ai ku di tam man ni ai ki pai lai ti nang mai dei tam man ki bu di khale
mahakna kari pamli mamanabasing sanaba uda mamanabasing skun chapa uda kari phawi haibagi matangda angauna ISTV da phondropda
sahi tarahum debu surawa sahi ani fare like tam hogaba
ana kai kai tanang
hana ai boarding lebe class 1 bo ogusida pungdomda 1 daina 4 bo class to moi imana da pang tin ina imana di class tim 4 du di hoji class 7 ai ta da yo mani no so hum jami da tale maru okai mam ne yaw bi gi to mur pho kan dai imana mi to ni class 4 dai 5 ka ga imana mi to ina sa kan ni school
angang je sahi mari manga gumba harak padani mapala hidrise adu mama je matam khara lairami adu mayum pathukre adu hujiksi ma je mabok mapu gani yobne adu mabok mapu go je yama ba haitare masa masu ya manina magi hona badu ngamdaba kaina ne sillagan hamju ophamda thamgre ko adigi mabok sina ju masu je nusiba ko bani na lokthore lokthog sida lai tamhalena na lama school da matangara tamame adai tamhan ba sungam khidra ba
laikai miyamna su pikliba angauna taiba awaba asida tengbang su ngamda wari habdi khang adubu kari tawdage hab samamna ama phawri maram aduna leiba lenga asina pikliba angang asida pangba yaba mateng kari leibage habdu yenglaga mafam chana panghanimgi apamusu makhatana phongdorki जीवन कोनसंगल लोइना पाउदम जेबे निथगम साना जाबो मिtai yorobum khonang lerak ISTV news
makhataba pau pizadringai da aten break amatang lozari
Welcome to the launching of Haya and the announcement of the Royal International Innovation Award with Her Excellency, the Governor of Manipur as the chief guest. The Managing Director, Royal Apps, Inc. extends the heartiest welcome to all the dignitaries and the invitees.
Being natural is a way of life, and food that is naturally beautiful, full of nutrients, with no added chemicals. Eat real food and live an organic life.
Stay healthy, be organic.
Jolip 100% natural syrup amasung capsule yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi uchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungaraktaba singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiu.
Medillion Ambulance Services Manipurna miyamgidamak hodokchare 24/7 ambulance service masida hospital amadagi hospital amada patient puba yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa yumda discharge tobagi puthaba amadi Guwahati na chingba Manipur gi mapalda chatpagi ambulance sing phangbiragani miyamna pijariba ambulance ki number sing asi save tawbiyo amadi call tawbiyo. Medillion Ambulance, People Ambulance.
Breaking news, Overseas Point in Imphal is about to change lives for many in Manipur. Overseas Point provides all you need for world-class education and jobs in advanced countries. Dr. Raj, the Canadian immigration consultant, is now in Imphal. Visit Overseas Point for a free assessment and first consultation today.
With the world-class infrastructure with multi-purpose outdoor hall, kid play area, football ground, swimming pool, tennis court, reception and waiting lobby, classroom, science laboratory, computer lab, library, activity room, cafeteria, where your dreams will get wings. UNACO School, Maitram.
Goods and Services Tax GST da register tawiraba taxpayer khudingmakna matam chana GSTR 3B monthly return file tawiyu.
August thagi GSTR 3B return file tawbagi aroiba numiti lakliba September gi tang kundani
sale changdana return file tawnabagi damakta All Guwahati High Court Building North AOC Department gi Facilitation Center da lakpiduna return file tawiyu.
Kanganjariba Department of Taxes, Government of Manipur.
Enjoy the tastiest bread in town. Manufactured with the highest quality in the most hygienic bakery in Manipur. White bread from Likla Bakery, now Manipur's favorite bakery.
Amukana taram noksari makhataba pao. Kuki Black Day Organizing Committee More na senduna More the Black Day gi thoram pangthoke thoram aduga mari lainana More gi Galngam Landol Ground gi hauraga More town pumbada wangang daba santi gi khongsat ama satke khongsat aduda Kuki gi asumba justice fangdringa da naga gi solution purakpa yaroi Kuki Singh hat ki justice pame Kuki Singh ase foreigner nate haibena Singh ba wahai kaya thaba placard Singh sizinake khongsat aduga mari lainana Hill Tribal Council More gi Vice President PS Gangtena Kuki Naga Anigi Marakta Lising Chamapan Marifudra the Gihona, Tokibat Labak Tibet Hodo Aduna Honan Ningsinki.
Every day with a thick Holy Bible. However, they had the mind, the evilistic mind to kill his brother, his sister, his mother, his brother like his father like on that day and in those days.
Nakalamoromda Kuki Black Day ga mari lainana More town manungda ayuk pung taruk tagi numit yung bapung taranithoi fauba makhal amatagi gari sing chen khide dukan sing amadi hotel sing thong lonakhi government ke office amadi mahiloisang sing suti thakhi. Kangpokpi Town Committee ki mikhal ngasi pangthokre Surrey Hills Autonomous District Council Kangpokpi ki Chief Executive Officer E Manihar Singh na Returning Officer oikhi ayuki pung 8 dagi numit yung bapung taranithoi fauba bot thadanakhi hauze faubagi di mikhal asida pamdaba thodok amata thokide nunthil pung ani taba matam dagi bot masing thiba hogadori. Imphal East ke manung sanba Moirang Kampu Sajepta Mayai Kaba Nisagi Mayopta Mayagi Khongsada Mangarang Namidang Satkre Star Club of Moirang Kampu Sajep ki Finance Secretary Sanjoy na Fongdorakpada Lamdam Masida Mayai Kaba Nisa Sejanabagi Sang Hengalakliba Asi Kannana ba Pandamda Mairagi Khongsada Sesat Pani Haike
Satra Madi Mogi Alaman Paipino Sibu Nisagi Paktagi Look Hidrobudagi Akoina Kannana Bagi Damokta Kratang Wesu Kannana Bagi Damokta Kothang Asi Akogi Asi स्टार क्लब नेल्सी लेकाई इरमदम सिटी मेरा पाई माई बेचिंग मैम कुसमनरे हायरगा कोइन इरमदम सिबु खितंग फगद्रा खितंग निसादगी खितंग कनबंग ngमगद्रा हायदना कोइ रैली सि पांथोक
lamkhai wathok amadi ima icha haina mingthonba sangai artist association gi nauna puthokadaba sumang kumhai ani gi yaifa thoni thoram ngasi pauna kaithal da laiba association gi office ta pangthokre mai paksna hawrongbam amadi AC Dharmendra na iba iboyama khumanna direction pi gi dabalila ani gi yaifa thoni thoram aduda Center of Indian Trade Union Manipur gi secretary KHS Santa association gi vice president K Priyo Kumar amadi TD ngangom na maroiba myoising oina saruk yakhi iboyama khumana lila ani asina khunai asida ngasi ngasi makthengdani ba amadi tholiba thodok wathok sing puthoktuna khanagadori haikhi
masibu oikoina irathuni generabagi thorang jerubagi wi wakalonda aujaba haiba tari skibani si koina hogiji khunai sida yamna maru oiba isu singi manungda amani kunai su singdok pada samdok pada yamna afaba skibamo ani oiragani haibi wakalonda kri jabani
loishilak pada maroiba pau amuka na pizari Wangu ahalup makhalekai da listing ani gatara trukta matamadui Chief Minister Okram Ibobina sangakhiba 33/11 substation mathau tawdana leire Bideng tabiri basingbu amuka hana khurumzari